The Fed is right to be patient. Going forward, I think we are going to see more disinflation. The GDP deflator, I think, by next year is going to be running very, very close to 1%, which should make the Fed uncomfortable. And if it does, they may proceed to cut rates. But no, not right now. As I read that quote, Kelly, I think it was more a dig at China, which is trying to levitate itself by using, good old-fashioned monetary and fiscal policy that probably isn't going to work for them.
Ironically, Larry, if they do devaluate and their currency is trading at near decade lows against the dollar, if they do that, it will actually, for the U.S., offset the tariffs, right? I mean, in a way, it would help U.S. consumers and businesses.
Yeah, I'm not confident they will do that. Remember, last fall, they took the yuan down to very close to 7 to the dollar. I think it was 6.95 at its bottom. There's a magic number there around 7. And there's a sense that if China looked like it was devaluing and looked like it was going through that number, they risk capital flight. And that's the reason the Chinese authorities pulled back and actually began to appreciate the yuan afterwards.
Yeah.
So I'm not that worried about that step.
That is even the argument for why Bitcoin has been popping over the last couple of days, is their devaluation just during these talks. Larry,
well, not only that, Bitcoin is a great way of capital flight, right? If you're Chinese, you have to worry about how you're going to get your money out of the country. And turning yuan into Bitcoin might be a smart way to do it.
So what do you think is the right move for the Fed here? And why is inflation so low?
Well, inflation's low because we have a lot of supply-side factors that have been at work keeping inflation low. We used to talk about the global deflationary pressures. They're still there. The tax bill was disinflationary because of the incentives it had for business investment. And so I think, a disinflationary push is going to be with us for quite some time.